And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add borders onto our Microsoft Word document. We shall learn how to add line borders, at borders, and there you will explore. So I'm going to open this Microsoft Word document. It's called the name is called Ebenezer City Junior School. So I'm going to open it, and then our document is now opened here on Microsoft Word. So we shall learn how we can add borders onto this Word document. This one here you see here, this one is one of the borders that I have a tutorial that explains more about how you can add this border. You will check on my channel on some of the videos that I have made for this. So for now, we are going to add borders onto this. We shall learn how can we add borders, line borders, and other borders on our page. For you to add borders, you will come to design, then come to page borders, and then you will come to choose a border that you want. For example, now for me, I chose the box border. If you want a shadow border, you can get. If you want let's say a 3D border, you can also get that. If you want a custom border, you can also customize according to your need. So I'm going to talk about box border. So if I want to add the box border, I'll come to the box border, then I will choose which kind of a design do I want. For example, for now I'm going to take one of these, that is I want to take this one here, not that. Let me move up. You can use this to scroll up, scroll down to check on which border do you want. I'm going to take that one. Then I'm going to come here to increase the weight. So here you are able to change the color of the border by clicking there. You left click there, you'll find that you can change it to red, you can change it to either blue, you can change it to any color you wish. For now, I'm going to take automatic color, which is black. So that is how you can change the color of your box border. So now for this case, I'm going to come to the widths. I'm going to make the widths to be 6 points so that the border can be visible. You can see on our preview box here, it shows us how it's going to be, how it's going to appear on our page. So the moment we click OK, our borders will be inserted onto our page. You can see now our page is having, our pages are all having borders applied to it. So you check on this first page, it has borders. You check on the second page, this is the border we chose, this one you see. Let me zoom in, let me zoom out, you can see it clearly. You see all our pages, the 2 pages have the borders now. So let me zoom in, and we go back to how do we add the at borders. So now for us to add the at borders is the same way. We come to page borders, and then we come to at here down here you see the at. You will click here, then we choose the at we want to add. I can choose to add the any art that I see here. It depends on the design of what you are doing, and also maybe if you are doing football, you can add the art of football. For example, I'm going to choose this, and on the art borders, I will click OK. When I press OK, you have seen now the art border has replaced our box border that we had before. So this is how you can add the art border, and then how you can add the line borders. Other borders you will explore. Now when I try to zoom out from our document, you will see that every page is added. So let me zoom. You can press Control and then you scroll your mouse. It will enable you to zoom in and out. Or you come down here where my cursor is, and then you left click and then hold and then drag this. As you are dragging, you find that it is zooming out and in. So you can see, you can drag it and then zoom in and zoom out from here, depending on which size you want your work to be viewed at. So this is what we call the art border. You can also change to any other. You come to, if you don't like that, you come to the same way, then you come to choose, click here, then you choose either you want this one, then you insert. So you see it has changed. Or if you don't like that, you can also come again back and then you add maybe choose another one. You may wish to have art border that is of a different design. We have here borders of different favorite colors, depends on what design you want. So I can come down here, then maybe I choose this one, then I say okay. When I say okay, it applies it, and you can see our borders are added, and there we go. So if you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, because that is how YouTube can help us grow the channel. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. So I'll be super happy to find your comment. I sign out.